The graphics card, or GPU, is the heart of a smooth gaming experience. But for budget-minded enthusiasts, navigating the ever-changing tech landscape can be tricky. Fear not, fellow gamers. This deep dive explores the top 5 graphics cards under $300 in 2024, giving you the info you need to make an informed choice. Number 1. MSI Ventus 2X GeForce RTX 3060 12GB. The MSI Ventus 2X RTX 3060 strikes a fantastic balance between power and price. Packing 12GB of GDDR6 memory, it tackles modern games with ease, offering smooth visuals even at high settings. The real kicker, DLSS Deep Learning Super Sampling technology. This NVIDIA feature uses AI to upscale graphics, boosting performance without sacrificing image quality. Perfect for squeezing out those extra frames. My experience. While not the flashiest design, the Ventus 2X runs cool and quiet, making it a great choice for those who prioritize performance over aesthetics. While you will purchase, if you crave a future-proof option with excellent ray tracing capabilities, for those hyper-realistic lighting effects, the Ventus 2X RTX 3060 is a compelling choice. Number 2. Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU. Don't let the older generation label fool you. The Zotac GTX 1660 Super is a reliable workhorse, consistently delivering solid 1080p performance at high frame rates. While it lacks the fancy features of newer cards, its affordability and power efficiency make it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers who prioritize frame rate over graphical bells and whistles. My experience, the GTX 1660 Super is a fantastic option for those who primarily play esports titles or older games. Its lower power consumption also translates to less heat and quieter operation. Why you will purchase? Need a dependable performer for hitting those competitive high scores? The Zotac GTX 1660 Super offers fantastic value without breaking the bank. Number 3. Asus Dual GeForce RTX 4060. The Asus Dual RTX 4060 is a new player in the sub-$300 arena, boasting the latest generation architecture from NVIDIA. This translates to potentially better performance and power efficiency compared to the RTX 3060. However, real-world benchmarks are still emerging. My experience, as a relatively new release, user reviews are still limited. But on paper, the RTX 4060 seems like a promising option for those who want to experience the latest tech without overspending. Why you will purchase? If you're an early adopter who craves the newest hardware and are willing to take a slight risk on a new product, the Asus Dual RTX 4060 could be a great choice. Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 6700. AMD's Radeon RX 6700 is a strong competitor in the sub-$300 market. It goes toe-to-toe with the RTX 3060 in terms of performance, offering a compelling alternative for those on Team Red. While it might have slightly less VRAM, video memory, than the RTX 3060, some users report better performance in specific games. My experience, the RX 6700 is a great option for AMD fans who want a reliable performer at a competitive price point. It also boasts strong driver support from AMD. Why you will purchase? If you prefer AMD hardware or find the RX 6700 offering better performance in games you play, it's a fantastic choice for your next graphics card upgrade. Number 5. Intel Arc A770 Limited Edition. Keep an eye out. While not as readily available as the other options, the Intel Arc A770 Limited Edition is an intriguing wildcard. This new entrant from Intel boasts a competitive price point and an impressive feature set, including support for ray tracing. However, user reviews are still scarce, and driver optimization is an ongoing process. My experience, limited testing suggests the Arc A770 has potential, but waiting for more user reviews and driver updates might be wise. Why you will purchase? If you're an adventurous tech enthusiast who wants to support the underdog and are willing to be patient for driver improvements, the Arc A770 could be a future budget champion.